so foggy. They just blew the foghorn. It's not something you usually get to hear on a Caribbean cruise, but pretty cool to hear in Alaska. It's a pilot boat.
Yeah.
Come on, Bracken!
Let's go, Bob!
You should have done the middle.
He's gonna go right past that hill.
There you go, buddy.
Go, Brett! In jeans, no less. Good job, Bob!
Well, it's day 2. We're still making our way up to Juneau. The captain just came on and said that we basically got to pick it up a little bit so we can meet with the pilot boats that'll guide us there. We've just been hanging out, exploring the ship, eating at Windjammer and rock climbing. Definitely played some putt-putt today. Then we saw a few whales. So it's definitely stuff to do, a lot of stuff to see. It's just beautiful. I think they said we're like 43 miles off the coast. So just cruising along, go eat lunch in a little bit and see what else there is to see. You guys.
Hunter, yours went way out of bounds. Sorry. Right in the collar.
He's all the way here.
There you go, Hunter.
This is crazy. That's weird.
Whoa! We're halfway there! Whoa!
Crap hot.
Really cool. There's one. Where? Right there, it's underwater. We're like close to that one. Oh, we went over that one.
Oh.
What? We just went over that one.
Oh, yeah, it's right there.